Hello dear, how are you? That everyone will be fine and I hope so that you will be waiting for the next video. Now look at here. Now these are the practices today we have to do. Okay, like this, that iron shirt. Okay, when we जब हम इस्त्री करते हैं, okay, so that's called the iron the shirt, iron dress, iron suits. Okay, I iron my shirt, okay, at 6 o'clock. I ironed my shirt at 6 o'clock. I ironed my shirt today. Okay, I ironed my shirt yesterday. Okay, now like this. So now this is the get dressed. Get dressed means kapde pehenna. Okay, okay. Let's see. So what are you doing? That get dressed and go. We have to go now. Okay, आप कपड़े बदल लो तो हम जो है चलते हैं, हमें जाना है अभी. ओके, नाउ गेट ड्रेस्ड. आई गेट ड्रेस्ड माई येलो सूट और वट एवर द ड्रेस पेंट्स. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओ नाउ डू ब्रश योर टीथ. ओके, brush your teeth. You brush your teeth early in the morning when you get up. Okay, so you brush your teeth. Your father say that brush your teeth. Why don't you brush your teeth? What's the problem do you have that you are not getting we are getting late, so just do it. Okay, and don't be late. Now wash your face. Okay, wash your face. Okay, अपना मुंह धो लो. That like this. That these are the imperative sentences. Okay, start work. Okay, like this. Start your work. Yeah, I am starting my work right now. अभी मैं अपना काम स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. Okay, I start your work. But these are the commanding orders that you are saying that start your work. अपना काम शुरू करो. Like this. Okay, have lunch. Why I have lunch at 6 o'clock. Okay, I eat lunch. Have lunch or eat lunch, they both are the right. Okay, when you do. Now here is the finish your work. Finish work. Okay, I finish my work at 6 o'clock. Okay, at 7 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, 10:30. I finish my work at 5 o'clock. Okay, so like this, that I finish my work early, I finish my work later. Okay, like this. Now leave work. Okay, finish work and leave work. Leave work means that you are getting, जब आप काम छोड़ के निकल रहे हो तो so leave work. Leave your work. Okay, I leave work at 8 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 10:30, 10:15 or 7:15. So like this that you have to say. Okay, leave your work. Okay, leave work. Achha, clear the table. When we have where we did the lunch and the table is the full. So now clear the table. Table को साफ कर दो, मेज़ को साफ कर दो. Clear the first. Okay, clear the floor. Okay, so like this we have to say the clear the table. Clear the table means जो बर्तन वगैरह होते हैं तो उठा लो. Okay, clear the table. So use these words. Okay, proper English, proper sentences you have to use. Not the yourself you make the words and these won't be acceptable. Now there is the do. Now in America, no, that बर्तन धोती है ना, because female they wash. Normally we use the wash, but there is a difference between do the dishes, wash the dishes. Okay, do the dishes and wash the dishes. When the American does, so they said that to do the dishes. Do the dishes means बर्तन धो लो. Okay, do the today is your turn, so you have to do the dishes. Okay, it is American. Do the dishes is American. बर्तन धो लो. Okay, you do the dishes. तुम बर्तन धो लो. You do the dishes right now. तुम अभी बर्तन धो लो. Okay, so but this is the do the dishes is American, and wash the dishes it is the UK, Britain. Okay, so these are the differences you have to remember that. Now walk the dog. That means you are because it's a deers and you have your dog or cat or whatever. Walk the dog. Okay, so उसको टहलकदमी करवाने के लिए you let him go. So there at that time you use the walk the dog and go to bed. Let's go to bed. Now we are getting sleep and I'm feeling drowsy. Okay, drowsy means that I am feeling the drowsy and मुझे खुमार जैसा हो रहा है. Okay, I'm feeling that मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling drowsy, so that's why I go to bed. Okay, I have to go to bed. Okay, so like these words that you have to use, and this is the practice. Okay, I hope that you will be practicing it, or might be you do not, but you must do it, because without practice you won't be able to speak out. Okay, see you next